What's up, guys? Back in another video. Today I'm on my TV watching. I don't know. I'm watching this again. I saw it, but I just want to watch it again right now. Oh my gosh. She's watching. She's watching something. Well, I'm watching. I'll be back. Okay, guys, we are playing Sonic Boom. No, what the? That's a close one. Ooh, aw, man. Shadow. I'm Shadow. You can add friends. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I'm pretty sure in the game you can I don't know. Team Sonic, of course. Look at that. Big, small, medium. Wait, sorry, hold up. Discord. Big, medium, small. Small, medium, big. Perfect. Runner, lead runner. Can you add friends? You can add friends in this game. What is these? What are those? Nope. I wanna add friends. Well, let's go. Okay, here we go. Wait, what? Where's Tails and Knuckles? I mean, yeah, Tails and Knuckles. Where are they? Nope. God dang it. Dang it! There you go. Hopefully you guys can see Sonic. If you can't, I'm sorry. I don't know, I can't tell. Wait, what? Oh, there you go. She's a kidder. Tails! Miles, Tails Power, or was it Miles Power Tails? I forgot. I don't know. It's something, it's Miles something. Ah, dang it. Alright! Free revealed. Revival, I think. Let's get it! Oh my gosh. No! Oh, what the? I do this, guys. Oh. This one confuses me. What? That wasn't fair. Ah, man. Okay. Yeah, you can. Have friends. My code's right here, so you can play Sonic Boom. Add me as a friend, guys. Add me as a friend. Sorry. So that's my code, and you enter it. Yeah, you enter it. So go add me as a friend. I really want a friend. I don't got any friends. Why am I Shadow? Can I change my name? No. I believe no. That's not me. I'm not Shadow. I don't know who I am. Okay, here we go. Change character. Okay. Three Knuckles this time. He slam jump. Of course. Ooh, okay. Ooh, we're in Eggman's lab. I'm not a big fan of Sonic Boom because the arms of Sonic, they're blue. I mean, the Sonic movie's fine with the blue arms. I just don't like the Sonic Boom with that scarf on him, whatever it's called. I don't like it. I like the Sonic movie. I thought he was gonna have peach arms, but he instead got blue arms. I hated it at first, but then when I saw the movie, I loved it. So I liked it, but I like the Sonic with peach arms. That's my favorite Sonic. The Sonic movie was good. With the peach arms. I mean, with the white arms. Oh my gosh. Blue arms. See, I don't like Sonic like that. I don't like Sonic. This Sonic. Sonic Boom. I like none. I just don't. I'm gonna be Knuckles again. And Knuckles in the game, I mean, in the show, it's just, he's dumb. Bro, and I don't like Knuckles dumb. I like him tough. And, like, bro, no one likes, I mean, some people like Knuckles dumb. I don't, I guess. Oh, what the? But, I just don't like it. I almost died. That was not fair. You cannot do that, mate. Yeah, there we go. Okay. No, dang it. Can't revive. At least I did good, though. But, yeah. Okay, let's see. Can I do that? No. Shadows run. Run. Connecting. What does this mean? I don't know what this means. Egghead. I don't really like Eggman. I mean, I like Sonic X. I like the Sonic X, not Sonic Underground. I do not like that. If you look at that baby Sonic, that is not a baby. Well, that's a monster. You see his eyes? Bro, that was just weird. I do not like Sonic Underground. I do not like Sonic having a brother and sister. It feels weird. It's just, no, it's wrong. It doesn't fit Sonic. Bro, I like the Sonic X. I like some of the Sonic games, like, what? I don't like this game. I mean, I do. I like this game. I like the Sonic movie. I know that for a fact. I like the Sonic movie. I like Sonic Mania. I like classic Sonic. I like him. Like, you think I don't like classic Sonic? That was the first Sonic that was ever made. Classic. I mean, it wasn't actually classic. It was like, his name was like, what he was gonna be called was Mr. Needle Mouse. I'm like, what? How did I not know this? I didn't know this. That Sonic's first name, I believe his first name was Mr. Needle Mouse, and Sonic was like was he a mouse or a bunny? I'm not sure, but they choose a hedgehog, which is perfect. Hedgehogs. I like hedgehogs. Wait, what? What was that? I like hedgehogs. Echidnas. Like Kidney the echidna. Kidney. From Please My Friends. Kidney. A blue echidna. Like a blue hedgehog. A blue hedgehog. Blue echidna. There's no blue hedgehogs in the world. There's no red hedgehogs. Just, I don't know. Claim prize. Ooh. Dude, what is going on? Collect as many rings as you can. The Speed Demon. Tails gives you an extra life. Okay, and it's free. Well, an Eggman's love yet again. I do not like those crabs. I like the other, you know, Sonic, classic. I just don't like, I don't like it. Okay, I'm sorry. Double boost! Alright! Oh, what? Okay. Okay. You're just not doing me like that. 181 rings. Main prize. Damon, that's a lot. What does this mean? Use Cloud. Wait, what just happened? I don't know what just happened, guys. What? Okay, we need Tails. We need Sonic the Hedgehog. Bruh. We need Tails. Why does Tails look bigger than Sonic? That's weird. Look, why is he small? There we go. I think it was something. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Make sure you hit the bell, turn on notifications, subscribe. And if you're new here, I'm Dante Riley, aka User and Friends. So, yeah, see you later. I'll make videos. Bye. That was weird.